Good morning kids and parents, welcome to Little Stories virtual classes. So today we are going to learn something new. We are going to learn the concept of big and small. Concept of big and small. So for learning this concept, we have to perform various activities. So today I have 3 activities for you. So let's get started. So we'll start with our first activity on the concept of big and small. So as you can see, I have taken 2 bowls. One is for big objects and one is for small objects. So I have taken different things. These are similar things but of different sizes. Like I've taken big and small chocolate, big and small cotton balls. I've taken 2 hearts. One is small and one is big. So what the child has to do is he has to sort these things in small and big bowls. So let's get started. Ask your child to keep the big object in this bowl and small object in this bowl. So while you're doing this activity, ask them to repeat after you different sentences like, this is a big heart. This is a small heart. This is a big bangle. This is a small bangle. This is a blue small toy car. This is a blue big toy car. This is a big cotton ball. This is a small cotton ball. This is a big crayon color. So what you can do is you can ask your child to repeat these sentences when he is doing the sorting activity. So what sorting does is, sorting helps the child to get organized and also helps him to think logically. And it also helps to create a sense of order in them. So sorting is a very important activity, so which we have taken in the concept of big and small. So coming to our second activity on the concept of big and small, I have taken a white plain paper. Then I have taken few caps, some are big and some are of small size. And I have drawn a circle around them so that they fit to the size of the cap. Now take an empty bowl and transfer all these caps in this bowl. Now ask and mix them well. Now ask your child to place the cap on the correct size. So the big ones are very simple to find. So the child can place the big one on the big circle, the small one on the small circle. But as you can see, there are 2 different sizes of small circle. So let him apply his brain, let him struggle a little that to which one this cap will fit, to which size. So when he puts it here, tell him that think again, is it the correct size? So give him hints that he is not doing it correctly, but don't scold him. So let him put the caps on the correct sizes. Likewise, he'll understand shapes and the sizes, and this will increase his ability to sort things properly, and he'll get hold on sizes. And ask your child to use the words big and small while he's doing the activity. Now coming to our last and final activity on the concept of big and small. The child, while doing the first 2 activities, he'll definitely understand the concept of big and small, the difference between the size of big and small. So now what you have to do is we have to increase the difficulty level. So I have taken few shapes and I have cut them into different sizes, big and small, big and small. And I have taken some new shapes as well, because while doing the activity, they'll learn the names of different new shapes. So for this, I have made a book. I've taken a A4 size paper and I've cut them into 4 pieces. I have stapled it and I've drawn various diagrams of different shapes in the size of big and small. Now what you can do is you can give the cutouts of different sizes which you have made in the book to the child and ask him to fit that or put that sizes on the respective diagram. So the first shape is pentagon, big pentagon, small pentagon. Do it with the other shapes as well. Big star, small star. Big triangle, small triangle. Big diamond and small diamond. Big parallelogram and small parallelogram. Big rectangle, small rectangle. Big square, small square. So these are the activity which you have to perform with your child at home. So all the things which I have used in these activities are easily available at home. So you can do it at your home with your child and enjoy these activity. I'm sure the concept of big and small will be very easy to understand for the child when we perform all three activities. Thank you.